Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amanda and these are real life moments with my family. Today my husband decided he wanted to clean with us, so I am so happy that he is here for it. And let me know, does your husband help you around the house? Do your children help you around the house? I sometimes feel like us as women, when we're doing these cleaning motivation videos, we have to make sure that we look good and that everything is in order, and sometimes life is just not that way. He literally makes it look flawless. Him and I debated over how many scoops to use for laundry, so I always use a half of a scoop, and he decided to use a full one. So what do you use? How many scoops or measurements do you go by?
You make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like
So on this particular night, my daughter went to dance with a friend of hers, so I only have the boys where they are saying their prayers and eating their dinner. And that is all for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Let me know if you're not already. Please subscribe to this channel to see more. You never know what you might see.